So guys, my, do you call it a closet? It's already furnished. My brothers helped me do it. It's so smooth, and tomorrow will be the painting process. I'm so excited, you guys, and I will be getting rid of those things right there, and I want to fill up this empty space with a floating wall, with a wall shelf. Yeah, that's for tomorrow, and I don't know what I'm going to do with this space. Sorry for the ring light. I want to fill up this space, but my chair was in that corner, so I don't want it anymore. I don't know what I'm going to do with this space. I don't know yet, but this is what it's looking like for now. Stay tuned for tomorrow. Yeah. So guys, I am back. Am I back, or I don't know, but I wanted to show you what I bought for my room. I bought a shelf, a floating shelf. This is what it looks like. I'm going to put this on top of my bed, the empty space on top of my bed. I bought some accessories so it's not bland. I bought this fake plant. Isn't it so cute, you guys? I bought only one because I wanted to see how it looks, but I'm going to show you what I'm going to create in my next slide. Yes, okay. I bought this to paintbrush, and I bought these handles. These handles look so cute, you guys. Just open it up. That's it for now. I'm so excited to show you guys the final refill, but it's coming together. So guys, I totally forgot to film an outro, but that was my room tour or my room makeover, and I hope you like it. I really love my room, and yeah, I really like how it turned out. I wanted to have a white room, and the vision I had really came to life. I wanted to have a white room with hints of pink in it, and it really turned out nice. The main thing that needed a makeover was my closet back there. My closet, when I painted my closet white, it gave the whole room a whole nother look. So I really like how that turned out. So thank God my wall was already painted white, so I didn't have to spend much money on that. A lot of the things in my room are already white, like my bed, my dresser. I bought my wall shelf, and that turned really nice. Of the five in this room, it like gives a white room with hints of pink. And a lot of my stuff in my room are DIY projects. Like, let me show you the Coco Chanel frame right there. Let me show you. So I just printed this picture I got from Pinterest. Pinterest is a good source for room ideas or what you want to create in your room. So I just printed the picture out and bought a photo frame and placed it in a photo frame. Like, this is what it looks like. Yeah, also it has black and pink in it, and it really turned out amazing. The little Eiffel towers are actually keychains. I just removed the round thing and placed it there. So I have an empty wall space and I want to add some things there I saw on Pinterest. I'll show you in the next slide, so comment down below which one I should choose, A, B, C, or D. I think that was it for this video. If you liked it, give this a thumbs up. Comment down below what you think, if I did a good job, and subscribe if you haven't already. And see you in my next video. Bye guys.